We have got Baked. I should probably leave the box up so I can keep reading it. Hey guys, you have me again, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing of my e.l.f. mini haul that just came in the mail today. If I'm gonna open it anyways, might as well do it on camera, right? I've kind of forgotten what I purchased, but I'm still really new to buying makeup, so there's so much I need. e.l.f, 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 e.l.f. Man, this is a lot of packaging. That's a very interesting box. I haven't seen one quite like this before. Okay. Wow, I got a lot more than I thought I did for like $28 I think I paid. Let's see. I don't see a receipt, so I'm trying to remember what I ordered and what was free gift. I do remember ordering the Acne Fighting Foundation because this is something I really desperately need. I break out so bad every time I put on makeup, which is one of the reasons I've always had such an aversion to makeup. Come out. Come on. There we go. Let me just try a little bit of this on my hand. I know your face is sometimes a different color, but yeah, that blends pretty well to my actual skin tone, so I think porcelain was the right color for me. Because I am white as white can get. Okay, then I got liquid matte lipstick in Tea Rose. I still can't quite remember which things I ordered and which things came as free gift. And do just a little swatch color for that. It's actually really pretty. I like that a lot. Next, okay, I remember getting this because this was like $2. Not normally, it was on clearance for $2. It's Intense Ink Eyeliner. And, you know, it's just in black. I'm not gonna swatch my hand in black and then have that stuck there. Okay, and I'm pretty sure I bought this eyebrow pencil in taupe because, or is that top? Well, either way, my natural hair color is not blonde. Oh, I got the crappy rip where it pretends like it's gonna open, but then it just pulls more cardboard away from the cardboard. Come on! Yeah, and this is just a crown, so that is perfect. That is just what I wanted. And we've got the little brush on the other end. Great! Then I got Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. And you can see there's a really nice shimmer to that. It might be hard to see when I put it on my skin, but I like that shimmer on there. And I know I ordered this too, the Contouring Palette. And this is in Light to Medium. Come on up. Oh, I really like this box it came in. Ah, come on, open! There we go. And I won't dip my finger in all of these either, but it's a nice, smooth, powdery texture here. And then I do believe these last 4 bits are bits I didn't order that were free gifts, so let me take a look in here. We have got Baked, I should probably leave the box up so I can keep reading it. Baked Trio Eyeshadow Brown Bonanza. So we've got kind of the brownish gold, the darker brown, and then the lighter, peachier, my skin tone type of color. And e.l.f. Hello Hydration Face Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. I'm guessing there's just one sample in here. Yeah, there's just a little sample packet, so that's perfect. And then Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadow in Nude Linen. Wonder what that looks like. I'll give you a little testy test. Right here. Okay, the only problem I see with this is that I don't see where it's marked as eyeshadow anywhere, so I guarantee you I'm going to screw this up and think it's foundation or lipstick or something later. I am not a makeup-y smart person. I has no makeup smarts. And then last in the box is e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold. I know I didn't order any eyeshadow, so I do think these last 4 have all been free gifts. So come on, out, 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 out. Out. Okay, I'm gonna put this swatch right above the last one. So, ooh, that's a really nice color. That would be a fantastic lip color too, but thank goodness this one says eyeshadow on it, so I'm not gonna screw it up. I'm gonna have to find a way to mark this one, I swear. But that looks like it. That is my whole e.l.f. mini beauty haul with almost as many items for freebies as I paid for. That's kind of awesome. Thank you, e.l.f. I certainly appreciate all those freebies. I'm going to tear off the box for the eyeliner so I can throw it all away in one big swoop. Come on. There we go. Although, I can show you the eyeliner at least, even though I'm not going to put it on my skin, because getting the black off will be a nightmare. Got a nice fine point to it. I like that. Okay, well, thank you everybody for watching. Again, you've had me again. Don't forget to subscribe because I need subscribers. Otherwise, I can't get a short link or monetization or other things I need to keep this channel running. But other than that, I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.